daily mode in full effect, featuring Crocs and shorts in -degree weather. Yo, what's up everybody? Man, it feels like it's been fucking ages. I'm literally talking like ages since like I literally just picked up the camera and just talked like to you guys. Yeah, I have a lot of explaining to do where I've been. I've been posting videos not so frequently. Recently it's been like every other week, so basically every 2 weeks, which is... there's no justifying that, and it's not cool. And I'm going to be doing a lot of explaining in this video. I'll show you guys some parts that I have and some things that I have in the works for the speed. Man, I'm taking this shit to the next level. You guys have no freaking idea. This is my dog, everyone, by the way. I've never shown her. This is Lexi. She's in... wait. Right here. Hello. She's a little skinny one. Yeah. Okay, bye. No one cares. So, you may be asking, where have I been? To put it in the simplest terms is, I just feel drained. Since beginning of September, I went back to school. I'm only doing a year. It's like an apprenticeship program for a truck and coach technician. It's literally like, I'd say like 2 years worth of material condensed into 1 year, so it's pretty fast paced. So literally Monday to Friday, I'm doing school 7 to 2:30. And then right after that, I work full time, like full time, 40 plus hours a week. I work at a warehouse. I basically do like a forklift job, and I basically do that 4 till midnight, past midnight. So there have been some nights where I work till 2, 3 o'clock. We haven't really been as busy like lately because of like the time of the year, but yeah, I'm working full time plus full-time school. So literally Monday to Friday, I have zero free time, which kind of sucks, but it's only a year. That's the way I look at it, and you know, it is what it is. That's one of the reasons why I haven't been uploading very frequently. It's just because like I have to put so much time and effort into school, and I work right after. So literally the only free time I have is on the weekends, and that's kind of the time I decompress. I just chill, I relax. I literally have zero energy to do like literally anything. On top of that, I don't want to get into what this is, but there's a lot of shit going on in my personal life that I don't want to talk about on camera. Let's just say a lot of things in my life has just been absolutely draining my energy. And like as of recently, as like especially like the past month, like I'd say January is probably like my worst month ever, where you know, you start back, you know, you have your 2 weeks off, and then you're back to like regular routine, and I hate getting out of routine, and holy shit guys, this is just taking a toll on me. But you know, I'm sick of this new year, new me bullshit. I live by this, where you shouldn't use the new year as an excuse to, you know, change yourself. You should have already, you know, worked on yourself and shit, whatever. I'm not gonna get into that, but yeah, let's just say, you know, there's been stuff in my personal life that's been going on, and you know, it hasn't been going my way, and it's absolutely taken a toll on me, just like energy wise, and it has literally demotivated me to make videos completely. But I'm not going to use that as an excuse anymore. There's really no excuse. You guys know the motto is stay consistent, and I haven't even been following that, so I'm not going to promise. I'm going to try my best, because you know, I finish in May. I'm just trying to grind this school and work shit out. I'm going to upload as frequently as I can. I'm going to aim for at least 1 video a week. That's kind of my goal. I used to do like every 4 or 5 days, but you know, with you know, the weather and shit, and there's not a lot of car stuff going on, nothing's been really done to the speed, like there's not much I can really record. So also see where that's coming from. Like as soon as car season finished, like there wasn't a whole lot to record, to be honest with you guys. So that's why you've noticed like the recent videos have just been me chilling with friends, like working on cars or going out and shit, because that's all I've been really doing. But yeah, but oh my freaking god, man, I hate talking about that stuff. I just feel like it's not even that, like, I'm the kind of guy where I have so much shit going on in my life, and I do so much, but I still feel as if like what I'm going through, what I'm doing, like people are probably doing worse out there, like more intense shit, going through more stuff. So that's what you could say probably like builds up my resilience, and like, you know, my work ethic is just I try to think that, you know, I'm in a pretty good place right now and it could be a lot worse. So I'm just trying to get my shit done, you know? You know, I don't really like to make excuses. I'm not really, you know, it sounds like I was making excuses, but I was just explaining to you guys because a lot of you guys have been asking, like, where have I been? Are you going to stop making videos? That is not going to stop. I promise you, the speed is going absolutely nowhere. You guys don't even understand how excited I am. I will say this, though. In the next month, stay freaking tuned, guys. Stay freaking tuned. I got one big part that's going on in the car. I was going to put it on in April when, you know, car season starts and shit, but you guys know I'm impatient. If I have a nice part, I'm going to throw that bitch on, so I'll probably tell you guys what it is in like a couple minutes, but anyways, enough of that depressing shit for the last and final time. So, parts for the speed. Oh man, boys, I'm taking this shit to the next level. You guys have no freaking idea. Literally just this morning, I sold my wheels for a pretty good deal. So my Enki TM7s are officially retired. It was sad to see them go, but you know, change is good and you guys are not ready for what's next. Like this wheel and tire setup for everything that I have planned. Fucking hell, bro. This is gonna look so fucking good. And I'll be honest with you guys, like the one thing that's been really keeping me through like all this school, work, life bullshit is just looking forward to what's gonna go in my car next. That's really what keeps me going every day, as fucked up as that sounds, just spend more money and dump money into my car, you know. It's what makes me happy. I'm excited for it, you know. The speed is the one thing in my life that, you know, will never leave me and will always be there by my side, you know, knock on wood and shit, but yeah, fuck, I don't know. So, I have been acquiring some parts, I will say. Why don't I just show you guys? So the first thing is actually not like in my room because they're being built right now. And if you guys watched one of my previous videos, you would know. Custom freaking headlights. That is coming on very soon. Jose is currently in the process of building it. We've gone through a lot of hiccups and, you know, inconveniences, but it's going all right now. It should be done by, I want to say around February. So if they are done by, whenever they're done, I'm going to fully PPF that bitch, throw some eyelids on there, and then that's going to be it. So obviously I can't show you because the guy's freaking building it in his garage. So I can't show you guys that, but I will show you the parts that I have right now in this box. And kaboom, would you look at that? Okay, let me do some explaining. Okay, I just picked this up. Corksport camber plates, guys. I got this for an absolute steal. Shout out to my buddy if you're watching right now. So a guy was selling his Bilstein B14s, funny enough, the same color as I have, with the camber plates. He wouldn't sell it separately. So I worked at a deal where my buddy only got the coilovers and I got the camber plates. So I literally got this for a freaking steal. Gonna be so nice for, you know, taking corners and shit for tracking, and then obviously to run, you know, the future wheel setup. I mean, hint hint, wink wink, nudge nudge, you know. Whatever. So if you guys don't know what this is a wire tuck harness kit. So yes, I'm going to fully have this thing wire tuck looking fucking amazing. It's gonna look sick. I'll throw you guys a picture of Jose. It's gonna look, obviously it won't look as nice because his is like on another level, but all the wires will be gone. It's gonna look freaking sick. This is for the coil packs, for the, when you do wire tuck. I don't know the correct name for it, but this is gonna be sick. And then I got a VVT solenoid cap thingamajig. This is gonna look pretty sick. And then over here, we have some dress up hardware. So, headlights, camber, oh, I was about to say camber arms. Camber plates, wire tuck. Man, this is gonna be insane. So yeah, that's basically the parts I have. I have the custom headlights being built. I have the camber plates, the wire tuck, engine bay goodies. Guys, I told that's not even everything. That's not even everything. I have my new wheel and tire setup coming. Well, not coming, I still have to buy it, but I mean, you guys should already know what it is at this point. Okay, I'm just gonna say it. It's RPF 1s. Don't fucking judge me. They're gonna look fucking sick. It's gonna be black with, you know, the sick little red checker on it. And then I'm gonna get Hankook Ventus RS4s. I'm gonna be running some beefy boys, bro. 255, 40, 17. And then for wheel specs, I think I'm gonna run 17 by 9 plus 45. I don't know if I'll need a spacer, but I will need to I will need to roll my fenders, so that is what it is. But guys, I am so freaking pumped. I'm just trying to get through it, you know. Once like April hits, like it's gonna be full grind mode. I'm gonna have hopefully I'm gonna have everything on. Like I'm gonna have the wheels and tires, good alignment, camber plates on, headlights will obviously be on, engine bay. Fuck, hopefully sometime in March we can get that shit on. Man, it's gonna go by so fast, and I hope you guys are as excited as I am, because I'm trying to get all that shit done by, I'd say, like mid-April. And then I want to get like this sick freaking like cinematic video for like the 2021 like reveal. It's gonna be fucking mind-blowing. I can't freaking wait, and I hope you guys are excited too. I won't get this by April just because it's just so much shit, but I want to get Damon Motorsports transmission and passenger motor mount. One, because it's going to make the car drive a lot better, and it's going to make the engine bay look more sick, because I'm going to get the black and red one for the passenger motor mount, so that's going to be sick. Probably going to order some nice fog lights to match my nice headlights, and guys, sky's the limit. Speed's not going anywhere. She's almost at 200,000 kilometers. Fucking hell, that bitch is getting old, but you know, it is what it is. But guys, I am like beyond excited. It's going to cost so much freaking money, but you know, my car guy, it is what it is. Fuck it. That also explains why I work full time, is because I want to be able to, you know, still modify the car while I'm in school. You think me being in school full time is going to be an excuse not to make money full time? Fuck that shit. Guys, I just like to work hard. I like to keep myself busy. I like to make money. I like to spend money. You know, I'm trying to keep that same lifestyle I had before I started school, and I've been doing that. And like, I mean, yeah, like shit. That's pretty much it, guys. I mean, I'm not dead. The speed's not going anywhere. I'm good. I want to thank everyone for supporting me and still watching the videos. It means a lot. I really do appreciate it. I'm really trying to, you know, take my YouTube channel to the next level this year. The growth has been really slow lately just because I've been fucking lacking on content like a mother fricker. And I mean, yeah, I mean, the Instagram's doing pretty well, so you know, if you're not following me already, jj.ms3, or subscribe to me, jjms3. Another thing I want to do is get custom license plates, jjms3. A lot of people like that idea when I posted it on my Instagram. I feel like I'm talking way too fast. It's just been so long, so, you know, I'm trying to cover as much as I can, but I appreciate everyone for the support. Happy New Year. I hope you guys had a great holiday. My holiday was something else, I would say, but, you know, it is what it is. You know, today is a new day, the next day will be a new day, and then it'll keep on going like that, so just keep moving forward. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm not sure what video I'm going to make next, but I'll think of something. But I appreciate you guys watching, sticking with me. It means a lot. You guys ain't ready for the speed, man. That's all I got to say. You're not ready. You're not ready. That's all I got to say, because these headlights, oh my god, Jesus Christ. Fuck. It's gonna look so good. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay consistent. You haven't heard me say that in months, but man, it feels good to say that shit. Stay consistent. Peace.